Fitting window locks. There are many different types of window locks available. They're an additional form of security. Usually the window locks need to be fitted in 2 stages. It'll probably be best to fit the main part of the lock to the opening section of the window first. Mark the position of the lock and drill pilot holes. Screw the lock to the window. Now mark the window frame by screwing down the locking portion or screw. Mark the position of the lock keep onto the window frame. Drill the frame as appropriate, that is, pilot holes and the hole for the locking screw section. Fix the locking plate to the frame. Now screw down the locking Allen key screw. Never leave the key in the lock or even near to the lock. This defeats the object of fitting it in the first place. The window is now much more secure.